finally went to the store and got my Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, this bad boy here. I'm very excited to open it. I know you probably saw tons of content already online, but if you saw like the video I put a few days ago, so basically I did a first impression video when I went to the Samsung Experience store in Montreal, in downtown Montreal, and I compared the Z Fold 8 to the Z Fold 8 Ultra. And I decided, even though I loved the Z Fold 8, the way it felt amazing. The fact that you can watch YouTube comfortably on the outside screen, on the cover screen, without having any like top or bottom or fillers or whatever. It looked amazing and it felt amazing. But then when I put the phones right next to each other or on top of each other, I realized that there is much more real estate, like this much at least, that you get with the Fold 8 Ultra. And to me, that makes a lot of difference. I know the video is not going to be as nice, watching a YouTube video or watching Netflix, Prime, whatever. It's not going to be as nice as the Z Fold 8. And it is a bigger phone, but to me, it was worth it. Like, it's worth it to see more, to have more screen real estate. So I'm basically sharing this with you so that you think about what's really important to you, and this is how you would choose which phone makes more sense to your specific use case. Something additional that I realized is with the Z Fold 8, you can reach the screen, most of the screen, really easy. Like, I saw some reviews where people are saying, oh, like, it's too wide, you're not comfortable. I tried it and it's really comfortable to reach all parts of the screen, while with the candy bar view here, or model, which is the Z Fold 8 Ultra, it's not easy to reach the top of the screen. Again, so pros and cons really, right? And this is why I share with you this information, to see which one makes more sense for you. If you're new here, please consider liking and subscribing. It would help this channel, and hopefully Samsung in the future can look at the channel and decide to send the phone ahead of time, instead of me going to buy it with my own money and wait till everybody put already videos online. So I got the cream version. Oof. Okay, let's start with this box here. What do we get? Okay, nothing here. So there is some kind of a manual and the USB-C cable. Wait, where's the pin? Okay, and there's a pin here. So, and now the phone itself. It looks decent. The thing is, I ordered the green version, whatever it has a code name, but the green version, and they said like, oh, it's gonna be late, and like, would you mind waiting, or would you like still to come and get another color? So I was okay with the purple one. I didn't want the gray one. But then when I was in the store, I thought like, you know what, let's spice things up a little bit. I mean, I'm really looking forward to this experience, and I got this phone to work on it, to do content creation, to help with my efficiency. But one of the reasons I got this phone was also to celebrate my birthday and to celebrate this year. Number 8 is very important to me, and this is the Fold 8 Ultra, right? And this year has been quite something, as some of you might know, like with the work before, and then things ending up with the separation. I don't want to bring you all down. So anyways, like, I really wanted to celebrate pulling through this. So, oh, there goes the screen. So first impressions, I'm going to remove the inside screen first. Ooh. So right off the bat, I'm going to share something with you. You see this? No crease, right? Again, as you saw from the previous videos, I don't really care about the crease that much. I would rather have the crease with the S Pen, to be honest, especially that your brain really ignores it with time. You don't care about it. And if you go to the Samsung Experience store, where lots of people held the phone and they closed it and opened it, closed it and opened it, you will realize that the crease is there. I'm sure like in a month or two, a bunch of people are gonna go like online, do reviews and say like, oh, by the way, the crease was actually there. It just took some time for it to materialize. So right now it looks like there's no crease at all. It looks amazing, but I'm pretty sure the crease is gonna come eventually. Now, first time I'm closing it, and you can already see the crease. I don't know if you can see it here, but right away there's this crease, the crease. So we only had to open it 1 or 2 times. You can't really see it on the camera. Again, it's not a big deal. The phone feels amazing. Now we're gonna do the cover screen. I did eventually cave in. I got the best coverage for the phone, but still I'm gonna get a cover, maybe some privacy screen if there's one out there already, a privacy screen that would protect the screen, and also if somebody looks from the sides they cannot see what I'm doing. I doubt there will be something like that for the the screen on the inside. Oh my god, she's amazing. Another reason why I got the warranty is that I don't want to put like big covers on the phone. I'll probably still get something very, very thin, but I want to enjoy this. I want to use and abuse. So it really feels amazing in the hand. Wow. So Z Fold 8 Ultra, I'm gonna start it. Did I miss something else that came with it? No. Most of the phones nowadays, they arrive with some charge in them. I don't think that's the case for this one. Let's be optimistic that it's not. Oh, there you go. So it's starting now. One very important thing when you get this phone, and if you get the Samsung Care Plus Premium or something, you have to be careful. You have to register your device with Knox. So you install the application and you register your device in case it gets lost or something. You must do it. Otherwise, your coverage is not valid. So let's say you get the phone, you got the best coverage, you paid, I don't know, like $370 for $100 for it, Canadian, and then you lose the phone or somebody steals it. And then you go to Samsung, hey, I would like to open a ticket. They might say, you don't have a warranty. You don't have that Samsung Care Plus Premium. There is no coverage for you. Why? Because you forgot to activate the plan. So I think you have like 30 days or something. Don't quote me on that. I think you have either 2 weeks or 30 days to activate the plan after you receive the phone. Activate it and like install the application and everything. Otherwise, you might screw yourself. Pardon my French. So here's the phone. The first impressions. I'm gonna start working on it. It feels amazing. Color. I miss the Z Fold. I had the Z Fold 5 before, and then at some point I switched to the Z Flip, which I also did a 1-year review for it. Feel free to check it out. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you. Hopefully you like the video, you like what I shared with you, it's of some value. If you did like it, please consider liking and subscribing, it would really help. All right, I'm gonna go set her up.